Now we will take another example, and in this example the statement of the example is, it is 2x plus y, and this is less than or equal to 4. Okay, and the next is 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y is greater than or equal to 12, and x plus 2y, which is less than or equal to 6. Let we name these inequalities. This is 1, and we name this inequality, yes, it is 2, and we name this inequality, this is 3. Okay, and we know that we write the associated equations. So a solution of this inequality is, we write the associated equation. When we write the associated equation, then the associated equations are 2x plus y, which is equal to 4, and let 2x minus 3y, and this is equal to 12. In the similar way, x plus 2y, which is equal to, yes, this is equal to 6. And if we name these equations, let this equation is 4 and this equation is 5, and this is the equation which is 6. Okay, and now we, yes, solve these equations. We will find the points. Okay, for x is equal to 0, what is the procedure? Our procedure is, for x is equal to 0, we will put x is equal to 0 in 4. For x is equal to 0 in 4, we know that, what is 4? Yes, this is our equation 4. When we put x is equal to 0 over here, okay, so 2x will be 0, so this means that y is equal to 4. We get y is equal to 4, and our point is 0, 4. Okay, in the similar way, for y is equal to 0, for y is equal to 0 in 4. Okay, when we put y is equal to 0 in 4, and we know that this is, yes, y is equal to 0, which means 2x is equal to 4. 2x is equal to 4 means that x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, so our point is 2, 0. Okay, yes, this is the point. And after that, you can see over here, the point is for the line 4. Okay, we have find 2 points. The first is 0, 4, and the next point is 2, 0, 2, 0. Okay, and let we, okay, yes, these are 2 points of equation which satisfy the equation 4. Okay, now we, what we will do, yes, we will take the equation, equation 5. For x is equal to, 0, and for x is equal to 0, we put it in 5. Okay, for x is equal to 0 in 5, you can see over here, this is equation 5. When we put x is equal to 0, so this means that 2x is equal to 0, and minus 3y is equal to 12, which means that y is equal to minus 4. Okay, so this implies y is equal to -4. So our point is 0 comma -4. Okay, and for y is equal to 0 in 5, for y is equal to 0 in 5. Okay, now check the equation 5. This is our equation 5. When we put y is equal to 0 over here, this means that 2x is equal to 12. 2x is equal to 12 means that x is equal to 6. So this implies x is equal to 6 and our point is 6 comma 0. Okay, so this is our point. Okay, so these 2 points, the point is just like 0 comma -4, and the second point which is 6 comma 0, and this is the second. These 2 points satisfy the equation 5. Okay, and now for equation 6. Okay, for equation 6, this is our equation 6. In equation 6, for we take for x is equal to 0 in equation 6. In 6, when we put x is equal to 0 in equation 6, then it means that 2y is equal to 6, which means y is equal to 3. So this implies y is equal to 3. So our point is 0 comma 3. Okay, next for for y is equal to 0 in 6, for y is equal to 0 in 6, what we get? For y is equal to 0 in 6, what is 6? This is your y is equal to 0 in 6, which means that 2y is 0. So x is equal to, this implies x is equal to 6. So our point is 6 comma 0. This is our point. Okay, 6 comma 0. Now these 2 points, yes, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3 and 6 comma 0. These 2 points are the points of these 2 points, yes, are the points of equation 6. Now we will represent these points on the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so and then we will draw. Okay, so if I put these points, yes, let we draw the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, this is, so the first inequality is over here. If I write the first inequality, which is 2x plus y, which is yes, 2x plus y, and you know, this is 2x plus y, is less than or equal to 4. 2x plus y is less than or equal to 4. Yes, 2x plus y is less than and equal to 4, and our corresponding point is corresponding equation point is 0 comma 4, and the second is 2 comma 0. Okay, these are the points, 2 points. Okay, so this means that we will represent these points on the graph. Okay, so 0 comma 4, suppose this is 2, suppose this is 2, it means that yes, this is 2 comma 0, this is actually 2 comma 0, and if this is 2 and this will be 4, so this is 0 comma 4. Okay, and if we draw the line, from these 2 points, our line will be just like as. Okay, so yes, now we check the test point. The test point is when we put x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, which means we will put the point 0 comma 0. Okay, so 0 comma 0 means that the point of origin over here. When we put in this inequality, then you can see that we will get 0 is less than or equal to 4, which is true. Of course 0 is less than, so it means that our solution region towards origin, okay, including the lower, it will be lower closed half plane. Lower, yes, this is lower closed half plane. Okay, this is okay, and if we represent the other points, just like our second point is 0 comma minus 4 and 6 comma 0 for the second inequality. Okay, and that inequality is, as we have already know, that it is 2x minus 3y which is greater than or equal to 12. Okay, here I am writing 2x minus 3y which is greater than or equal to 12, and the points corresponding to this inequality is, yes, 0 comma minus 4, and the second point was, it is 6 comma 0. Okay, yes, this is the point. So we want to represent this point. Okay, so what it is point? 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 means that if this point is yes, see over here, yes, if this point is minus 2, yes, if this is minus 2, then this point will be minus 4. Okay, this is minus 4. Okay, and 6 comma 0 means that yes, if it is 2, then this will be 4, and this point will be 6. This is 6 comma 0. Okay, this point is 6 comma 0 and this point is 0 comma minus 4. Now our line will pass through these 2 points, this point and this point. Okay, so let me draw the line from these 2 points. If we draw the line from these 2 points, it will be I think it is not correct. Once again we will draw. Once again we will try it. Yes, a little bit, this is not correct. Okay, once again, what happened, we see over here that the previous line also deleted. Okay, so we will undo it. Yes, once again. Yes, so now we draw the line. The line will be drawn just like as from these 2 points. Hope now we will draw it. Yes, approximately it is correct. And now we check the points 0, 0, comma 0. If we check this point, okay, in the above inequality, from here if I put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, we get 0 is greater than or equal to 12, which is not true. So this means 0 is greater than or equal to 12, which is, and this is not true. So it means that our solution region is not toward origin, it is away from origin. Okay, it is away from origin. So this means that our solution region, if I draw the solution region will be away from origin. Yes, this is away from origin. This is away from origin. And if we check the third, and this point, the third inequality is x plus 2y. If I write over here x plus 2y, which is less than or equal to 6, less than or equal to 6, and the corresponding points are, these are the points for this inequality, which are 0, 3, and it is 6, 0, 6, 0. These are the 2 points. Okay, these are the 2 points, and you can see that 0, 3 means that if this is 2, this means that 0, 3, this is 3, here it will be 3. Okay, 0, 3, and 6, 0 means that the point will be, yes, 2, 4 and 6. This is your 6, 0. So this means that our line will pass through these 2 points, this point and this point. Okay, so the line will pass from these 2 points. Okay, let me draw the line from these 2 points. Once again, I want to check that the previous one was, the previous line I can see that it is, let's suppose this is a little bit, there is a problem in this line. Okay, so if I draw once again, okay, I am trying this line once again because this line was not correct. Okay, so 2, 4 and 6, this is correct, and our solution region is, this is our solution region. Okay, now we are going to draw these 2 points. Okay, 0, 3 and 6, 0. So this point is 0, 3 and this is 6, 0. So we will draw line from these 2 points. Okay, let me draw the line from these 2 points. If I draw the line from these 2 points, the line will be just like as. Okay, so now we check for x is equal to 0. For 0, 0 means origin. So when we put over here, which means that put over here x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, we get 0 is less than or equal to 6, which is true. So it means that our solution region in case of third line towards origin. Okay, towards origin. So our solution region in this case is toward origin. Okay, so towards origin, yes, it will be just like as. Okay, now we check the corner points. What are the corner points? Where the corner points are located from these three lines. Okay, the corner points, if we check of these three lines, the corner points will be just like as. You can see the line is passing, the line, this line, yes, this line is passing, yes, where the three line will intersect. Okay, remember that this is one of the corner point. This is one of the corner point. This is your corner point. Okay, and after that our corner point is, yes, this is again our corner point. This is again our corner point. Yes, this is our again corner point. Okay, and this point, yes, it will be just like as. So see here this line. Okay, and yes, of course, three lines. So it means that our solution region is if we find the solution region, our solution region will be represented by these lines. Okay, if I draw the white lines, these are the white lines are the solution region. Are the common region. Okay, this is the common region. Okay, so remember that our answer is only this region. Okay, so if I draw once again these lines and I pick these points just like as. Okay, if I draw the graph once again. Okay, and draw the lines just like as. Our first line passing through, if you see on the graph, yes, 0 and yes, it is passing just like as. Okay, and the second line is passing just like as. Okay, so increase this axis. Yes, and if we see the third line, the third line is passing from where? First, second and third line. Our third line is passing 0, yes, it is passing through 0, 4 and yes, it is, this line is actually passing just like as. if this point is 4, yes, if this point, we will undo it. Okay, so let once again, if I draw the line, our line will pass through just like as. Okay, and if I skip the common region which is actually our solution, and that is this one is the region which is actually our solution. Okay, this is the region which is our solution. Okay, hope you have understand about this example, and we will take another example. The next example is a little different, but here we will solve 6 example, total 6 example. Okay, and after solving 6 example, we will be able to understand about inequalities, how to graph the inequalities. Okay, so the next example is, it is 2x, this is 2x plus y, which is less than or equal to 10, and x plus y which is less than or equal to 7. In the similar way, it is minus 2x plus y minus 2x plus y, and this is less than or equal to 4. Okay, let we name these inequalities. This is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, so now we'll find the associated equations of 1, 2 and 3. Associated equations of 1, 2 and 3 can be written as, it is 2x plus y which is equal to 10, and x plus y which is equal to 7, and minus 2x plus y, this is equal to 4. Okay, so let we name these equations, and this is our 4. Okay, and 5, this is 6. Okay, so for x is equal to 0, we take the, for x is equal to 0, for x is equal to 0, and for x is equal to 0 in equation 4, we can see, if we put x is equal to 0 in 4, we get y is equal to 10. This implies that y is equal to 10. So our point is 0, 10. Okay, and if we take for y is equal to 0, for y is equal to 0, the equation 4 will become 2x is equal to 10, which means that x is equal to 5. This implies x is equal to 5. So our point is 5, 0. Okay, so these 2 points. Okay. If we represent these points on the, we will not represent first, we will first find the points where the line will pass, and these 2 points are 0, 10 and the second point is 5 comma 0, 5 comma 0. So this is our first 2 points where the line 4 will pass. Okay, and now if I take for x equal to 0, now we take for in equation 4. Okay, in, remember that, in 4. Okay, now we take for x is equal to 0 in which equation? In 5. X is equal to 0 in 5, and you can see over here for x is equal to 0 in 5 we get y is equal to 7. This implies y is equal to 7 and our point is 0 comma 7. Okay, this is our point. And for if I take for y is equal to, for y is equal to 0, for y is equal to 0 in 5, what we get? For y is equal to 0 in 5, if we put y is equal to 0 over here, then it means that x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. So our point is 7 comma 0. Okay, so the corresponding points are just like it is 0 comma 7 and 7 comma 0. Okay, 7 comma 0. Okay, so now next we can check that the equation 6. In equation 6, in the similar way we will take just like as for yes, for x is equal to 0 in equation in 6. If we take x is equal to 0 in 6, this is your equation number 6. For x is equal to 0 we get y is equal to 4. So this implies that y is equal to 4. So our point is 0 comma 4. Okay, 0 comma 4, this is our point. For x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. And in the similar way in 6, for y is equal to 0, for y is equal to 0 in 6, y is, it means minus 2x is equal to 4, which means x is equal to minus 2. So this implies x is equal to minus 2. So our point is minus 2 comma 0. And when we combine these 2 points, okay, after combining these 2 points it is 0 comma 4 and minus 2 comma 0, these 2 points. Okay, we have find these 2. Okay, so after that, since we have find these 4 points, these means total 6 points corresponding to equation 4, 5 and 6. Now we want to draw these points. So let me draw these points. When we draw these points, then we need to must yes, shape. We will take the shape. Yes, this is our shape, and okay, so this is our shape. So first of all, locate all these points. Okay, remember that the first point is 0 0 comma 10. Okay, 0 comma 10. Yes, this is 0 comma 10. So let if I write on the y-axis, this is 5 and this is the point which is 10. Okay, this is 5 and this is 10. In the similar way, if I write on the x-axis, this is 5 and this is 10. Okay, 5 and 10. So 0 comma 10, which means this is the point which is 0 comma 10, and if I will write 0 comma 5, so 5 comma 0, so this is actually 5 comma 0. Okay, and it means that our one line will pass through these points. So now we want to these 2 points 0 comma 7 and 7 comma 0. So it means that 7 will be over here approximately. Okay, so it means that this is our point which is 0 comma 7 and 7 comma 0 means that our this will be this one point approximately, which is 5 comma 0 and this is of course 7 comma 0. 7 comma 0. Okay, and the next point is 0 comma 4. When we check 0 comma 4 will be the point over here. Okay, 0 comma 4. So let me draw this point over here which is 0 comma 4. This is 0 comma 4. Okay, 0 comma 4. Okay, and the next is minus 2 comma 0. Minus 2, x is equal to minus 2. Okay, minus, if yes, if it is 5, this is 5. If this is 5, it means that this will be minus 2. Yes, this is minus 2. So this point is minus 2 comma 0. Let me pass the lines from these points. The first line will pass through 0 comma 10 and 5 comma 0. Okay, but here I am changing the technique a little. How much I am changing? I am changing just, I want to first put the lines. Okay, in the previous examples I find the region of each equation first and then we have find the common region. Okay, but here I will first draw the lines and we will try to find the points of intersections, the point of intersections of the region. Okay, so let our point first will 0 comma 10 and 5 comma 0. Okay, so pass the lines from these 2 points. So when we pass the line from these 2 points 0 comma 10 and 5 comma 0, so our line will be just like as. Okay, so if you see that the line is not passing through the point, the required from where we want to pass. Okay, once again, if I would like to draw, yes, now it is correct. Okay, and our second line will pass through from 0. Yes, this is 0 comma 7 and 7 comma 0. Okay, 0 comma 7 and 7 comma 0. So let we draw the line. If we draw the line from these 2 points, yes, okay, and the next is 0 comma 2 minus 2 comma 0. Yes, this is 0 comma 4, 0 comma 4, and our line will pass just like as. Okay, the line is not passing over there. Once again, if I will draw, once again if I would like to draw, this is okay. Now we have drawn all these 3 lines, and now we want to find the regions. Remember that to find the region, okay, our inequalities are, if I will write the inequalities once again, these are 2x plus y, okay, which is less than or equal to 10, and x plus y, which is less than or equal to 7. The next is minus 2x plus y, which is less than or equal to 4. Okay, so if I put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 over here, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, so this means that 0 is less than or equal to 10, which is true. So this means that the first line, okay, the line which contain the points 0 comma 10 and 5 comma 0, its solution is towards origin. Its solution is toward origin. So what is this line? Okay, so this is the green line. Actually these are 2 green lines, so you can see the pointer. This line is passing through the 2 points 5 comma 0, and the second is 0 comma 10. Okay, so this line has its solution closed lower half plane. Closed lower half plane means that solution toward origin. Solution towards origin. Okay, let me draw the solution towards origin. If we, yes, this is yes, it will be just like as. I am not drawing. Okay, yes, this will be solution toward origin. Okay, this is, yes, just like as. And if I put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, so this means that we will get 0 is less than or equal to 7, which is again true. So it means that the second line has its solution also towards origin. So what is the second line? The second line is passing through 0, 7 and 7, 0. So where it is, you can see this is 0, 7 and 7, 0. It is again green line, 0, 7 and 7, 0, and this line has also solution towards origin. Okay, yes, this is towards origin. Okay, towards origin. So it means that up to here which region has cancel out? Only this region is cancel out. Yes, this region is cancel out, but this region is common region of 2 lines, and the third point, if you will check over here, that What is the third point? The third point over here is, it is 0 comma 4 and minus 2 comma 0. If I put over here x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, so this means that 0 is less than or equal to 4, which means that this line also has its solution. This line has also its solutions towards origin. Okay, so where is this line? So this is the line which is passing through 2 points, minus 2 comma 0 and minus 2 comma, and this is 0 comma 4. Okay, 0 comma 4. Yes. Okay, this is should actually pass from here. This line should actually, okay, this, remember that this line should pass from this point. Okay, if I will draw, okay, this line again, if you will not mind, I am drawing it again. Okay, so let we draw it again. Okay, so we'll pass through these points. Yes. I think it is okay. If it is just like as there is a little bit maybe error. Okay, and its solution is also towards origin. Its solution is also towards origin. If this line has its solution towards origin, if this line has its solution toward origin, so remember that the first two lines has this region common, the first two lines as I have described. And when we include this line, so it means that the first two line and the third line have this region common, and I am shading this region. Okay, just like as. So this is our solution. Again, if I draw more and see, so this is the origin, which is the common region of all these three lines. Okay, so this is the way how to find the common region. Okay, and there is another example, but this example I will not illustrate. I'm just giving you the assignment, you can say, but I will solve a little. Okay, not much more, a little I will solve it. So the example is, it is okay, our example is, it is 3x minus 2y, 3x minus 2y, which is greater than or equal to 3, and x plus 4y, which is less than or equal to 12, and 3x plus y, is less than or equal to again 12. Okay, so remember over here that if I will draw the line, okay, I am not taking any points. Since we have practiced a lot, we are doing this example number 6. So can we draw the direct line but not finding any point? Okay, let me start. You can see it. This is okay. For x is equal to 0, let these lines are, this is 1 and if we represent is 2 and we are representing it by 3. Let me find the associated equation first. Associated equations. So associated equations are, these are 3x minus 2y which is equal to 3 and x plus 4y which is equal to 12, 3x plus y which is also equal to 12. And let we name this. Let this is 4 and this is 5, this is 6. Okay, so you can see over here, for x is equal to 0, here you can see if I put x is equal to 0, then this means that y is equal to minus 3 by 2. X is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3 by 2. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3 by 2. Of course it is y axis. Minus 3 by 2 means that minus 1.5. okay, so if I represent just like this is 2, I am taking it 2, so this means that this is minus, okay, this is approximately minus 1.5. So it is minus, yes, 0 0 comma minus 1.5. okay, and if I put over here y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, which means that 2y will be 0, so this means 3x is equal to 3, and 3x is equal to 3 means that x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. Let if I take it 1, this is 1, so this point is actually 1 comma 0. okay, which means that our line will pass through this point. okay, I am drawing the line. If the line is not passing, actually when we draw over here, of course there will be a little bit error because we are not drawing with a ruler. It is a digital drawing, you can see, and in the digital drawing the point, yes, this is exactly the passing, yes, this is. And now the second point we will see over here. For x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. If this is 2, then this means that this is, oh sorry, what happens, y is equal to 3. So this means that this point is actually the, once again, what is going to be wrong, okay, yes, so this point is actually 3. So it means that our next line, this is the point, okay, and if we put over here in equation for y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 means that if this is 1, so this means this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the next line, our next line will pass through these 2 points, this point and this point. So pass the line from these 2 points, if I pass the line, yes, it is very sensitive. Yes, it is maybe very sensitive. Pass. Okay, a little bit, you can say, maybe. So our next line, now check the next line. For x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12. So since this is 3, so it means this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is y is equal to 12. Okay, so y is equal to 12. This is the point. Okay, and if we put here y is equal to 0, then it means that x is equal to 4. 3x is equal to 12, which means x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 means that this is 1, 2, 3 and 4, means this point. So our next line will pass through these 2 points, this point and this point. Again draw. You can see it is not passing over there. Okay, once again we'll take it once again. Now again not passing. Again we will take it, change the color, and wow, again not passing from that point. So we will do up to when yes, again we will take it, or now again take it. Hope we will get success to draw this line, a little bit success. Okay, it is passing through 11 maybe, but okay, but remember that this point is 12. Okay, and now you can see over here, if you yes increase it. Okay, and now the test points. The next is test point. If I put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 over here, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 over here, then it means that 0 is greater than or 3, which is false. So it means that this line, the first line that we have drawn, has its solutions away from origins. Away from origin means that upper closed half plane. And what was this line? And this line which was passing through 0 and minus 1.5, and this was just like, okay, 1. Yes, so it has its solutions away from. So this is the line which is blue line. The blue line has its solutions away from origin, because 0, 0 is not satisfying, away from origin. Okay, yes, this is all this is. And the second line which is yellow line, this line which is yellow line, we check it. If I put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 over here, then it means that 0 is less than or equal to 12. Yes, this is correct. 0. So it means that this line has its solutions, this inequality has solutions towards origin. Remember, that's towards origin. So it means that this line has, yes, this is the solution. Okay, yes. If we check that what is the common region, what is the common region up to now in these two lines, this is the common region between these two lines. And let I if draw, this is common region between these two lines. Okay, now we check the third line. Our third line is, it is 3x plus y is equal to 12. If I put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, then this means that 0 is less than or equal to 12, which is true. So it means that the third line has its solution towards, third inequalities has its solution towards origin. Okay, because it is true. 0 0 is satisfying over here. So let we draw towards origin, third line, which is what is the third line? This is our third line. Okay, so this is our third line, which is the green line. Okay, and if I shade the green line with the whited line, now you will check that what is the common region now between these three lines, between these three lines. Okay, the common region between these three lines. So the common region I will represent it by just like what color I should use. It should be green. Okay, or we can also draw a highlighter. Okay, so this is our highlighter. And the color of highlighter should be just like this. Okay, yes. Let we take the highlighter. The highlighter may be not working over here, or the color is not picking. Maybe the color is okay, left that which is not working. So just draw these blue lines. Okay, yes, these blue lines. Also check the pointer, so this is the region which is the common region in between three lines. This is the common region in between three lines. So we have solved this example, but by direct method, and I hope that you will enjoy it. Thank you very much.